Sabudana or Sago. Now this is something that is very healthy and several recipes can be made using Sabudana. Today I'm going to show you a very nice Sabudana Khichdi that you can enjoy during the time of fasting. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the Sabudana Khichdi, I'm soaking 1 cup of Sabudana, that is Sago. For the Sago, that is the Sabudana, I've used 1:1 ratio. So for 1 cup of Sago, I've taken only 1 cup of water to soak it, because adding too much of water will make it very soggy and we don't want it to be soggy while making the khichdi. Wash the Sabudana and soak it for about 4 hours. The Sabudana has been soaking for 4 hours. Strain it. You can see it's nice and soft now and all the water is almost absorbed. And now I'm going to start making the khichdi. Take a wide pan. To this I'm adding 2 tablespoons of oil. Next I'm going to add half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Roast the cumin seeds for a few seconds. Take in 1 large potato and chop it into small pieces. Chopped pieces of potatoes. Roast the potatoes till they are cooked and they have a nice golden color to it. You can see the potato pieces are turning golden color. Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a quick mix. To this I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of roasted peanuts. Next add the chopped green chilies. I've taken 2 large green chilies. Next add a few curry leaves. Add the soaked sago. Give it a quick mix. Keep the flame on low. Cook the sabudana for about 5 minutes until most of the sabudana is translucent. I'm going to squeeze the juice of half lemon. Finally add the chopped coriander leaves. Turn off the stove. The Sabudana Khichdi is done. Serve it hot. So here is a very simple Sabudana Khichdi that you can enjoy with a nice bowl of yogurt by the side. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frame.